If you're trying to move your SPayLater credit into your GCash wallet, here's the updated step-by-step guide for 2025. The process is simple, but it only works if your SPayLater account is eligible and properly linked, so be sure to follow each step carefully. Start by opening your GCash app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for Manage Credit, or in some versions, you may see My Linked Accounts or Cards and Bankings. Tap on that. From there, select Add a credit card or link a credit account, depending on what your app version shows. Next, choose SPayLater from the list of supported credit providers. GCash will guide you through an on-screen linking process. You'll need to enter your Shopee/SPayLater login details to authorize the connection. This step confirms you're the actual owner of the SPayLater account. After completing the verification, your SPayLater account should now be linked and ready for use. Once that's done, return to your GCash dashboard. Tap Cash In, then look for SPayLater under the list of available funding sources. Enter the amount you want to transfer to your GCash wallet. Double check that you still have enough available SPayLater credit, because the transfer won't go through if you're close to or over your limit. After reviewing the details, including any possible fees or amount restrictions, tap Confirm. Follow any additional verification steps that appear. In most cases, transfers reflect almost instantly, but occasional delays can happen. If your cash in doesn't appear, check these common causes. You've hit your SPayLater limit. You may need to pay off part of your balance first. Your account linking failed. Try removing and relinking SPayLater in GCash. Your GCash account isn't fully verified. Some transfers require full KYC. If none of these fix the issue, open the GCash Help Center inside the app and file a support ticket. They can check your link status and help with any transfer errors.